everyone, it's Patti Behan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to accent your cards with Stickles Glitter Glue. So I have a couple cards here and I feel like it just needs a little more jazzing up, so Stickles is always a perfect choice. And for this one I'm going to outline the heart here with some hibiscus stickles. And one thing you want to remember, whenever you're going to apply stickles directly to your project, you want to make sure the glue is flowing out of the bottle. So you want to squeeze some out on the side to make sure there's no air bubble stuck in there. And to apply them, I'm going to outline the inside of the heart. So all you have to do is just give it a little bit of pressure and outline it. And if you happen to make a mistake, you can rub it off and start again, because there is a clear base and just colored glitter. So it won't ruin it if you go out of the line. But keeping inside the line will help to avoid that. And if you just try to do a steady stream, you can make a pretty straight line. And that's really all there is to it. And let me see if you can see that. Bring it a little closer there. See, it just gives it a little extra something. Okay, now for this one, I was thinking, what can I do to add a little more interest? So I thought maybe I'd add some lime green stickles to these dots here. I think that'll do the trick. So again, I'm going to make sure the glue is flowing, and if it doesn't come out quickly, you can just tap it and try to get the air out. Okay, so we're ready to go, and this one, there's not a whole lot of stickles in here. Okay, so I just put a dot and then I spread it around with the tip. And then we'll just do that on all of the dots here. And you can make dots and dashes, you can draw with your stickles, you can do a lot of fun things. And you can add a lot or just a little bit. I mean, who doesn't love a little bit of glitter on your projects? I know I love it. Just have a few more to go here. And it really goes a long way to making your card from just to like spectacular. Okay. I'll bring it close so that you can see it. And then that's it. It's a great way to add some more interest. This one, we've outlined some of the petals and then added some more to the umbrella. And here the background is pattern paper. And let me get this close. And we've added the same color stickles to the already printed hearts. And that just gives it a really nice look. The camera really doesn't do it justice. And here's one that is super blingy. There's stickles to accent the dress, and around these little dots over here. And it's just beautiful. And then sometimes all you need is just a little bit. We've added it to the rim of this martini glass. Let me see, or margarita, I should say. Okay, and really that's it. Stickles are just another fun way to add accents to your cards and all of your other mixed media projects and artwork. So if you'd like to see more Stickles techniques, keep watching.